we'll guide you through how to fix a common Gmail account issue. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. Log into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, check if you're having trouble sending or receiving emails. A common fix for this is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. To do this, go to your browser settings, find the section that lets you clear browsing data, and make sure you select both cache and cookies. After doing this, reload Gmail and see if the problem persists. If that doesn't solve it, you might need to check your Gmail account settings. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner. This will take you to the settings menu. Go to the forwarding and POP/IMAP tab, and make sure that both POP and IMAP are enabled if you use an email client. Sometimes, filters can also cause issues with email delivery. Go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab and review any filters you might have set up. Delete any that you think could be causing problems. If you're still having issues, try disabling any browser extensions you have, as they can sometimes interfere with Gmail. You can do this by going to the Extensions or Add-ons menu in your browser and temporarily turning them off. After making these changes, refresh Gmail and test to see if the issue is resolved. If all else fails, consider checking Google's Workspace Status Dashboard to see if there are any known outages or issues with Gmail. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.